So today I came onto the land again. I've done a few more rows for potatoes. There you go, there's the trees, there's the baby ready to go, there's alpaca manure. Apparently it's very good, so we'll try it. Because frankly I don't have anything else. But there we go. Trees are starting slow and steady, tiny bits at a time, opening up. Hopefully we'll get something this year. Look, it's the beginning. Well, soon it's supposed to be a summer, but the weather doesn't look like it. Oh, come on, focus. There we go. But yeah, that's the trees. All is beginning again. Right, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.